The DA is calling on the South African National Defence Force to attend to the derelict military accommodation in Posensberg. An oversight inspection to military houses in the neighborhood of Postdien has confirmed that the SANDF has not yet pulled down the temporary trailer park homes which were reportedly declared uninhabitable more than a decade ago. The SANDF has also done nothing to maintain and secure its rundown brick homes which are still accommodating people. The empty brick homes are being vandalized and stripped, with windows and burglar bars broken, ceiling missing, and cupboards and taps stripped. The ground are also unmaintained with grass knee high. The fencing around the property is also broken, and the entrance gate hangs from a hinge. The matter has been referred to Offensa Mukai, DA member of the Select Committee on Security and Justice, to take up with the Minister of Defense during the next question and answer session. The SANDF must reclaim its properties and its place as the pride of Postmasburg.